Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily keyframe inside of Premiere Pro. Now keyframing has tons of uses, the main one being animation, however you can basically apply it to anything. As you can see here in the effects controls, every single thing here, the little stopwatch in it, can be keyframed. So you can change the position, you can scale in and out, you can rotate it if you want. Also works with things like opacity, so you could keyframe it here and slowly have it fade out if you wanted to. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that now. So in this example, I'm just going to take this PNG and slide it from the left into the middle of the screen. So since he's already in the middle of the screen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go forward about 5 seconds and I'm just going to go ahead and click this position button. I've done it in the middle. This is where the animation will finish and it will end here. So next up we want to go to the start, and since we wanted to drag it from the left into the middle, what we're going to do is we're going to use this first point here and basically just slide it to the left until he's off screen. As you can see, we've now got 2 keyframe points here. We've got one at the start and one in the middle, which is our end point here. So if we go ahead and play this, we'll slowly slide in from left to the middle over a 5-second period. Now, if we decide we no longer wanted 5 seconds, we want 2.5 seconds, what we could do is we can go to this point here, which is about there. And we just want to drag that keyframe point to there. And now if we replay it, it will go faster. So this is good, it slowly comes in like we wanted, but it feels a bit too unnatural, it's moving at the same pace. And the way to solve that would be to go to your first point and right click on it, and then we want to go down to this bit here. And the way this works is kind of confusing, but since this is our start point, you want to ease out to start with, and the opposite of the end point. So the end point wants to be in and the start point wants to be out. So we want to right click on it and this one wants to be in. And now when we do it, it'll be a much more natural cinematic kind of movement. It speeds up in the middle and slows down at the end, which looks a lot more cleaner and a lot more professional. So this can basically be applied to anything. We can do it with the opacity too. So let's just say at the start, we want it to be on 0. You can't see it. And then when we get to this point here, we want it to be 100%. So as you can see, all this stuff can basically be changed with keyframes, and the possibilities are endless. There's so many things you can do with this, and it's a really cool feature. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below that the video helped you, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.